Rankings of the richest countries in the world are usually based on the country's GDP per capita. GDP stands for Gross Domestic Product, which is the value of all final goods and services produced in a country during 1 year. When dividing a country's GDP with its population, you get GDP per capita, which is an average measure of how much of the country's GDP each inhabitant accounts for. For example, China is the second richest country in the world based on its GDP. But when dividing its GDP from its massive population, one can see that their GDP per capita is fairly low. Here is the list of the richest countries in the world ranked by the latest estimates of International Monetary Fund of the country's GDP per capita. But before we begin, I would like you to please subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon to never miss any crazy update on the world's top 7. And if you like our content, then please give this video a thumbs up. And one more thing, if you want me to make a video on a particular topic, do let us know in the comment section below. At number 7, we have United States. The United States is the richest country in the world by GDP. And when dividing the GDP with the population, the US takes 7th place on this list. The United States were badly hit by the recent financial crisis and suffer from quite large income gaps. The US economy is primarily driven by the nation's large service sector and abundant natural resources. The country produces, among other things, sulfur, phosphates, and liquid natural gas. United States has a population of 331 million with a GDP per capita of approx 63,000 US dollars. At number 6, we have Norway. Norway always scores high on lists of countries where it's best to live, and it's not hard to understand why. Besides having rich resources of oil, natural gas, forests, and hydropower, Norway offers its wealthy inhabitants a magnificent and unique scenery. However, oil depletion is a big future threat to Norway's economy. Norway has a population of 5.4 million with a GDP per capita of approx 65,000 international dollars. At number 5, we have Switzerland. The beautiful alpine country of Switzerland is known for its banks. Financial services make up a large portion of the country's GDP. Other key industries include the country's manufacturing industry, pharmaceutical industry, and tourism. Switzerland exports goods like chemicals, machinery, electronics, and watches. Switzerland has a population of 8.65 million with a GDP per capita of approx 68,000 international dollars. Moving further, at number 4, we have Ireland. Ireland's economy has grown extensively over the past couple of decades, and the country now has one of the world's highest GDP per capita. However, the economy is quite unbalanced, and a large portion of Ireland's income belongs to large companies based outside the country. This probably makes Ireland's GDP per capita a bit misleading. Ireland has a population of 5.04 million with a GDP per capita of approx 90,000 international dollars. At number 3, we have Qatar. The third richest country in the world has, like many of the wealthiest countries, including its neighbors United Arab Emirates and Kuwait, made its fortune on oil. Qatar has had a rapidly growing economy, much due to the fact that oil prices have risen so much in the 2000s. Except oil, Qatar also exports natural gas, but the country is trying to develop more technology-based companies to avoid a complete dependency on fossil fuels. There is no income tax in Qatar. Qatar has a population of 2.8 million with a GDP per capita of approx 92,000 international dollars. At number 2, we have Singapore. The small Republic of Singapore is one of the most densely populated countries in the world, which is not so strange considering the capital Singapore makes up almost the entire country area. The largest part of Singapore's GDP comes from the manufacturing industry, and the country specializes in importing products, refining them, and then exporting them. Singapore has a population of 5.7 million with a GDP of approx 96,000 international dollars. Finally, the richest country on account of GDP per capita is Luxembourg. The richest country in the world, Luxembourg is often mentioned together with the other microstates in Europe. But Luxembourg is actually considerably larger and more populous than, for example, Monaco, Andorra, and Liechtenstein. Luxembourg has low unemployment and a steadily growing economy, mostly thanks to the country's steel, chemical, rubber, and banking industry. Luxembourg's capital, which is also called Luxembourg, is home to many of European Union's main buildings. Luxembourg has a population of 600,000 with a GDP per capita of approx 113,000 international dollars. So these were top 7 richest countries in the world in terms of GDP per capita. If you like this video, please hit that like button too, and do share this video with your friends and family members. Thank you for watching.